our top story.
That's right, Will. The 16-year-old seen in the video getting choked, well, he's okay tonight. I talked to some of his friends, and they say that they are still shaken by what they saw. Disturbing video taken inside East Rowan High School last week. A 15-year-old boy is seen choking a 16-year-old student until the teen passes out.
And got choked out, and how he was passed out, and how he was his arms were twitching and everything.
Fellow classmates watched in horror, some yelling stop, others trying to pull the 15-year-old off of him as they hit the ground.
I was concerned for his health, his well-being, everything. I've known the kid since elementary school, so he's one of my good friends. He lives right down the road from me.
Fellow student and neighbor Trenton Fry says he didn't see the fight firsthand, but learned of the incident after watching this video. The Rowan County Sheriff's Office says that it all began on Facebook, that the two students were making derogatory statements about each other before it escalated at the school.
Could have been worse. It was a good thing nothing seriously happened to him.
Images they say they won't soon forget. Fry and other students I talked to say they spoke to the 16-year-old at school, and he's okay.
The message is just don't be stupid, just let it go, walk away.
The 16-year-old in the video that you saw there getting choked was arrested by the Rowan County Sheriff's Office. He's charged with cyberbullying. That happened on Friday. The 15-year-old, though, however, asked the Sheriff's Office what they were doing with him, and they say the charges are still pending. For now, we're live in Salisbury. Amanda Fitzpatrick, WCCB News.